What is up, Bngrz? Welcome to our brand new YouTube series in which we break down the most famous track of the electronic music scene. Today we're gonna take a look at how we remade Choppaz by Space, LACES and Bngrz. Without further ado, let's jump into Ableton. Alright, so here we are in Ableton. Let's first have a listen of what it sounds like.
I got choppers in the trunk.
There we have it, it's pretty close in my opinion. Now let's deep dive into the project and see how we remade this. Alright, so for the drums it's pretty simple. You can get everything on our website in our sample pack or when you buy one of our NFT. For the kick, it's just a simple EQ, some frequency shifting, sounds like this. Then we have the clap, basically just like some noise and high ends. And then we have one hi-hats, pretty noisy too, on each beat. It sounds like this together. Alright, that's it for the drums. Let's now look at the synths. For the synths now, the main patch is the classic Serum unison bass. Alright guys, quick pause before continuing. I didn't want to go too far in this tutorial. You can just pause the video whenever you want to copy the settings. I explain more about how to get the project file and the preset at the end of the video. We've added some OTT, EQ, saturation, even more multi-band saturation, and some imaging at the end of the chain to make it wider. Actually less wide. Now for this like distorted plucky bass, it's basically the kick. We cut some of the attack. Pitch it down one octave, added some saturation, EQ, multi-band saturation again, pretty simple. Then we have this very organic feel, which comes in our sample pack, which you can get on our website or when you buy one of our NFT. That's pretty much it for the synths. Let's have a look at the subgroup. Our subgroup is decomposed in two layers. First one is the sub only with a very deep low cut. It's a simple analog scene in Serum wavetable. Then we have this very noisy layer. It's a citrus patch. So here it is, two operators, pretty simple. You will need an amp, trash, and a lot of EQ. And a lot of saturation. Basically, it's all EQing and saturation for this layer, and here it's how it sounds together. Let's listen one last time to the final result.
Choppers in the trunk.
Pretty close, huh? Apart from that, you can get this project file on our website as well as a lot of other resources. If you want even more content, join our Discord, make sure to read the roadmap and learn how to unlock all of our shop for free plus monthly benefits and rewards by owning one of our NFTs. Don't forget to like, subscribe and see you in the next tutorial.
I got choppers in the trunk.